Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one way Great Dane, back with day 478 Star Drop opening, and it's Halloween, which is also October 31st, and the same day we should be getting a free 10 dead boxes, and I haven't opened the other 2 that we got, so I should have a total of 12 to open, as well as these 6 Star Drops, so let's get right into it.
Super rare.
Going with the super rare, 50 power points.
Rare.
Onto a rare, 50 coins.
Rare.
Another rare, 100 XPW.
Super rare.
Super rare, 100 coins.
Super rare.
Super 100 coins again.
Rare.
And a rare, 25 power points, alright. In the mode selection, again, we've had this for a few days now, but I don't know if I've actually even touched on it. The Angels vs. Demons event, I guess it's its own mode besides the modes that also allow for the Angels vs. Demons. I'm not particularly sure. Again, maybe I'd consider rewatching the actual teaser for the upcoming season, but it's interesting that they have it listed there. I was pretty sure it applied to specific modes, just like the SpongeBob event. If you see the icon on the mode, you'd know there's the modifier available, but maybe it'll only be contained to one specific map this time. We'll have to see. Also, I am intrigued to see that Volleyball and Payload are still in the map rotation here. Yeah, because the seasonal quest ran out yesterday. So again, we have Volleyball, Jungle Ball, and Payload Drawback, as well as Brawl Ball 5v5 Suspenders, but nothing else too special going on. So, let's hop onto the shop here and get onto those dead boxes. So, again, a quick look. We have some value offers. All the skins are still in the shop, so nothing besides the dead boxes has really changed since yesterday, and I just checked the news tab quick, but yeah, it doesn't look like anything's changed since yesterday, besides the additional dead boxes now being available on Halloween. So let's start with the 2, and again, I think, are hypercharges available in these? I don't know. But what I'd really be hoping for out of these dead boxes is, again, hypercharges or possibly above epic, so mythic skins I believe you can get out of these. So it'd be pretty cool to get something like that. But let's see what we have. Also, I've already seen some people do openings, so apparently you can get a flashing 10, but you can get like 9 drops that are coins, so again, I have no idea how this is gonna go. Okay, starting with 44 coins, 71 coins, 65 coins, 168 XP doublers, 40 coins. See, why not just give the coins in a whole amount? This is rather strange. 132 XP doublers, 102 coins, 56 coins, this spider pin, alright, and 100 credits. I think it's an alright opening. I got a pin at least, I guess. Here we have 100 coins, 60 coins, 23 coins, 102 coins, 73 coins, 252 XP doublers, 57 coins, 207 XP doublers, 104 coins, and we got the brain spray. I don't know if that one's rare. I think it is. I think that's a pretty decent drop. Probably Halloween exclusive. I'm not 100% sure, but again, let's get into the meat of it here with the 10 dead box opening. Again, hoping for rare items, I guess. 266 XP doublers, 291 XP. This is so weird. Why would they just not stack them all together? It just makes it take longer. 33 coins, 93 coins, 102 coins, 62 coins, 48 coins, 227 XP doublers, 200 blings, and we got another spray. The zombie thumbs up again, I think is an alright opening. 60 coins, man, it's gonna be a while. 76 coins, 96 coins, 42 coins, 115 XP doublers, 25 coins, 104 coins, 231 XP doublers. Oh, got another Halloween spray, candy corn, and 1,000 credits. It's a pretty decent drop, I'd assume. It's not really something you typically get out of star drops even, so I'm kind of happy about that. Okay, 76 coins, 200 blings, 26 coins, 200 bling again, okay. 1,000 coins, okay. 25 coins, 101 coins, 25 coins, 84 coins. And we got this Franken pumpkin? No? It doesn't exactly have a name, but yeah, its drops are pretty decent so far, I think. Haven't got any skins yet, but getting some higher amounts in the resources here at least. 24 coins, 200 bling, 200 bling, 177 XP doublers, 64 coins, 103 coins, 111 XP doublers, 49 coins, 200 bling, 200 credits. So the common trend I'm seeing here is if we're gonna get anything like a skin or something, it's probably gonna be towards the end, just like regular boxes were before, except there doesn't seem to be any flashing indicator icon here, so you never really know. 85 coins, 51 coins, 89 coins, 109 coins, 270 XP doublers, 200 bling, 56 coins, 103 coins. Well, there is a flashing icon. I guess I was wrong, but whatever I'm getting must be important, I guess. 32 coins and... Okay. It's one of the lowest rarity skins, but it's still a skin. I'll equip it. Alright. Again, I'm pretty sure it is also exclusive to the Halloween season, so it's a pretty neat drop, okay? It's alright. Okay, 104 coins, 219 XP doublers, 200 bling, 49 coins, 68 coins, 72 coins, 96 coins. This is just so... Again, it's not like I'm going to go back and add this up, but I guess you could look at how many coins I had before the opening and then after to get a pretty accurate judgment, because this is just ridiculous. 200 bling. We got this coffin fingering zombie pin. Again, they're all pretty neatly animated at least. Okay, we're still going, man. This is taking a while, but we got a 10 here. 58 coins, 55 coins, 69 coins, 108 coins, 45 coins, 22 coins, 24 coins, 200 bling, and looks like we already got some stuff going on here. Maybe I'll get extra lucky. Hey! Okay, that's a bit of a higher rarity, I think. I think that's at least rare. Okay, we got the dead box pin itself. That's pretty neat. And Swamp Gene comes with its own pin. I'm pretty happy about that. I think I'll go back and try to see what rarity that's in. I'm pretty happy about that one. Right, we have 200 bling, 42 coins, 47 coins, 200 bling, 31 coins, 93 coins, 292 XP doublers, 60 coins, 13 coins, and 88 coins. Alright, we're still going, man. This is... okay, 200 bling, 200 bling, 107 coins, 53 coins, 71 coins, 92 coins, 44 coins. Is this a troll or something? Why would they do this? 92 coins, 69 coins. Okay. Now getting to some skins here. Okay, we have the new Decaying Dynamite skin. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Wasn't this the skin for ranked this season, I think. I don't actually remember, but either way, I have it now. Okay, it's got a little brain pin. Pretty decent skin, and we are still going. Okay, we have 200 bling, 36 coins, 54 coins, 26 coins, 200 bling, 67 coins, 258 XP doublers, 200 bling, 108 XP doublers, and, okay, 500 credits. Fair amounts. Okay, we're finally done here, so again, I think I got 3 Halloween skins out of that, so that's a fairly decent haul considering they're just random free community event rewards. I want to see if I can get a read on that Swamp Gene skin. I don't know if it's going to say in here, but okay, so it is a step above rare here. So we got a rare, a super rare, and then I don't actually know what the mic one is, the new one. Okay, also a super rare, but again, so I think anything in the Brawloween collection specifically is probably locked to the season or the Halloween event.
Don't run away!
Except for maybe Cuckoo Colette here, because it can be bought for bling. I guess there's some that aren't, but
my foot, your face,
some
it's on!
Aren't. Again, this one, higher rarity, but it isn't locked to Halloween because it's a creator make skin, I believe. Okay, Vamprimo. Again, I got Gruesome Gus was from the challenge. That's probably what I was confusing it with. I don't actually remember what the... It was the Mandy skin, right? Malicious Mandy was the rank skin, if I remember correctly. So, yeah. Again, I'm pretty happy with the results of that dead box opening. Again, I'm pretty happy to have the official dead box pin. Again, I'd have to look at an actual chart of the possible rewards to really see what some of the other ones I could have got were. Again, I would have liked, I believe, the Werewolf Leon skins were possibly something you could get. And it's unfortunate, again, I can't even check the rarities of these skins. I could guess, based on the price, I'd say these two are both epic. Hoot Hoot Shelly would be a really good pull because it's a mythic. And then again, because of the way the seasonal shop works, I don't even really think it matters what the rarity of the skin you get is. I mean, it technically does in the sense that you're getting more value, but at the same time, if you're not someone who spends money on the game anyway, or, I mean, hopefully you'd be getting free gems somehow, especially now that you can't buy the pass with it anymore. But it's just nice to get actual seasonal skins since, again, they're seasonal. So I also have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers, as well as 10 power points. And again, not too much else going on here, but I am very intrigued to hear what you guys get out of your dead boxes, because the general consensus I was hearing was most people weren't very lucky. So I feel like I was fairly lucky with my openings. I didn't get anything too crazy, but again, I at least got some skins here, so I'm pretty happy about that. Again, I don't even know if you could get hypercharges out of these, but always looking out for those. And again, starting tomorrow, we have the Brawl Stars World Finals event going on, so make sure to tune into that, or make your predictions at the very least, to try and get your hands on some free star drops, as well as I believe there's a guaranteed legendary rank star drop and a hypercharge at the very end if you can get enough points. So again, definitely try your hand at that if you can. And I actually have a fair amount of coins right now, as well as the fact that I believe the end of the season is coming up in about a week, it looks like. So I'll be opening up, or doing my quote-unquote mega star drop opening, so you guys can look forward to that. But I got quite a bit of XP doublers from this, yeah. As of today, I have 3,688 XP doublers and 99,681 power points. And yeah, this is what I am happy about, though, from the dead boxes. I did not get a single drop of power points, because I do not need them. But I'm again, drawing ever so close to that 100,000 PowerPoint milestone, which is so completely pointless, but also so very interesting. But again, really just let me know what you guys got your dead boxes, if you're happy with the results, if you got anything you find particularly special or enjoyed. But other than that, happy Halloween, guys, and let's see how far I can take this.